Twins have always gotten more attention than others. They're always seen as special, especially identical twins that you can barely tell apart. However, some twins have stood out more over the years than others. Whether it's for their amazing beauty or for an uncommon feature that makes them truly special, here are some on our top 10 list today that are worth talking about. Before we dive into this list, make sure to leave a like on this video. Also, if you'd like to join this month's Star 5 giveaway of a brand new PlayStation 5, then all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and watch this video until the end to find and comment the secret hidden message. Good luck! At number 10, Jennifer and June Gibbons. The ability to communicate is one of the key attributes of being a human, but in the case of the Gibbons twins, something was extremely different. The twins, at a very young age, had the ability to communicate like every other person. However, for reasons best known to Jennifer and June, they seemed to be not interested in talking to anyone around, which earned them the name the Silent Twins. These twins developed a form of communication pattern that only they could understand. But as they grew older, some things began to change, especially with their behavior. They became violent and were frequently charged with arson. When the authorities couldn't overlook their attitude anymore, Jennifer and June were sent to a high-security mental hospital called Broadmoor Hospital, where they spent 14 years together. While the mental hospital was supposed to help them with their mental health, the twins had other plans to escape the facility without the use of force. The escape plan was that one of them must die if they must survive and communicate with the world. The lot fell on Jennifer, and according to the medical report, she died of inflammation of the heart in 1993. With Jennifer out of the way, her twin sister June was released. After regaining her freedom, June gave a series of press interviews where she discussed in great detail her odd life with her twin sister Jennifer. Presently, Jennifer is living quite a life in Wales, and she doesn't need psychiatric assistance anymore. At number 9, the Maguire twins. It appears that late Japanese wrestler Agatupu Rodney Anoa'i, more popularly known as Yokozuna, was not the only big guy to fight in professional wrestling. There was also the Maguire twins. Aside from being pro wrestlers, the two went on to become the world's heaviest twins, which earned them a place in the World Guinness Book of Records. In a photo taken by John Page in 1973, the twins got the nickname the Fat Twins Riding Motorcycles. Billy, one of the twins, weighed 723 pounds before his death. According to a report, he died in a motorcycle accident in 1979, while Benny, his other half, lived 21 years more, and he died in 2001 from heart failure. At number 8, the long-lost twinsters. People can be separated for various reasons, but in the case of the long-lost twin sisters or twinsters, they were not separated by war or disaster. Instead, they got separated from birth after their mother gave them up for adoption when they were born. The remarkable thing is that the twins went on to live their separate lives without knowing of each other's existence until 2015, when one of the twins living in France got a notification from a friend that she saw someone who looked exactly like her. She searched the internet and discovered her unknown twin named Samantha Futterman, and she lives in California in the United States. The two got to know each other and they realized that they had so many things in common. In 2015, a Netflix documentary titled Twinsters was released to show the world in clear detail the journey of the twins from birth and how they grew up apart before meeting each other once again. At number 7, Lucy and Anna DeCinque. Meet the world's most identical twins ever, Lucy and Anna DeCinque from Australia. The twins are practically identical in everything, and areas where they have differences have been worked on to create similarities through surgeries. Apart from their physical appearance, the two have pretty much the same life, including their choice of clothes, work in the same place, have the same Facebook profile, cars, and even date the same boyfriend. In 2015, they competed in a twin competition in Japan where they emerged as the twins with the most similar identity in the world. At number 6, Lucy and Maria Aylmer. One of the major characteristics of twins is their identical nature, but in the case of the Aylmer sisters, the elements of identical nature are absent apart from the fact that they are both females. Seeing the Aylmer sisters, one may find it difficult to believe that they are actually twins because of their differences, including their skin colors and hair. How is it they are twins yet have different skin colors? Well, the fact is that the twins have mixed parents, with their mother being black and their father being white, so they both took on a skin color from different parents. At number 5, Abby and Brittany Hensel. Abby and Brittany Hensel are one of the most remarkable twins in the world, not only because of their looks, but because of their nature of their birth. The twins from the United Kingdom are classified as decapolous and apogee twins. This means that despite having a conjoined body, they have a different brain, heart, and lungs, but in one body. How these two have been able to grow up and understand each other is remarkable because for the proper functioning of their body, the twins need to cooperate with each other. Despite having one body, the twins have successfully completed their high school, got their driver's license. They even made it into college and have their own reality television show aimed at granting their audiences insight into their lives. At number 4, twins who master the art of crime. Before being taken into custody in developing democracies, the police or the arresting authorities must prove why those arrested should be locked behind bars. In the case of Hassan and Abbas, they were two identical twins who were charged for committing theft and illegally breaking into a jewelry store in Germany. According to the police report, it was discovered that diamonds worth more than 6 million euros were missing after a robbery. But the case could not go as planned because the German police could not prove for sure who committed the crime between the twins after they were subjected to a DNA test. By German law, both twins were to be charged separately as a different entity. But since there was no way to find out who committed the crime between the two, they were both released without further charges and the case was quashed. At number 3, the Kinsan-Jinsan twins from Japan. In the Japanese language, Kinsan-Jinsan is translated to mean gold and silver. The twins were born in 1892 and were known to be Japan's oldest twins before their death. One of the twins, Kim Narita, died at the age of 107, while the other, Jin Kanei, died at the age of 108. The unique aspect of the Kinsan-Jinsan twins was that they were identical twins, but they had different blood types. They became a national celebrity in Japan after they both clocked at the age of 100, which later drew attention to these rare twins. At number 2, Ashley and Amy Nelson. We all know twins to be close, but in the case of Ashley and Amy Nelson, they are closer than any usual twin. They practically share everything up to the point of pregnancy and birth. They took in the same month, gave birth the same month, and their delivery date was the same, just 2 hours apart. And to show you how the twins are so close to each other, they were both registered to the same hospital during the same pregnancy. It's even more interesting that they gave birth in the same hospital on New Year's Eve of 2012. It's much easier to say that they planned on giving birth in the same month, but giving birth on the same date with a difference of just 2 hours is remarkable. And at number 1, the albino twins from Brazil. The Brazilian albino twins are a wonder to the world. Born in 2005, the Sao Paulo, Brazil twins were born in the Brazilian commercial city by a migrant black mother from Guinea-Bissau. Laura and Mara were brought to the limelight when the Brazilian-based photographer Vinicius Terranova included them in his self-sponsored project Captivating Flor Raras series. At the time of the shoot, the now famous albino twins were 11 years old. After their pictures went viral, they were signed up to Joy Models, which have transformed their modeling careers, including that of their elder sister Sheila, who is not an albino. Since then, they've worked for global brands like Nike, raked in over 100,000 followers on Instagram, and have also worked with famous designer Alexandre Herkovich. And with that, we end today's video. Would you like to talk about any other unique twin that didn't make it onto our list? Leave your thoughts down in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe and give us a like, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video from Star 5. Thanks for watching.